we are going to talk about two important concepts of the development of the embryonic cells. The first one is differentiation. This is the specialization of embryonic cells into different cell types, such as muscle cells, brain cells, and so on. This process only can be accomplished by another process called induction. Induction is the process by which specific cells are stimulated to follow a specific developmental path. For example, to become a muscle or bone cell. Here we have two different processes, and it has a molecular background that is about gene switching. The stem cells that are capable of doing anything that other cells can do have a gene switch to get more specialized in other works. From here, the cells can become or nerve cells or muscle cells.
In the animal kingdom, there are two types of development. One is direct and the second one is indirect. In the case of direct development, it's when the offspring is a exact replica of an adult. One case that we can take is the clownfish. The clownfish, when they grow, they will not change at all. Only these changes are not visible or not important. And we humans are also a case of direct development. The babies look like the adults, only that a small version. On the other hand, we have indirect development. Indirect development is when the offspring or the baby is not looking like the adult, so it looks completely different. The biggest case is the caterpillar and the butterfly. The caterpillar borns being a worm and later on will become a butterfly. It takes some stages to become the last stage that is the adult, but finally they will become this organism.
Cell death is an important progress for the development of organisms in every species. It consists on stopping the reproduction and killing cells from a small part of the body until disappearing. One of the most important examples of this process of cell death process is the frog. Before the previous stage, before becoming an adult frog, the body of the frog has a little tail on its end, and the organism starts to removing these cells from this part of the body and stops the reproduction until the tail of the frog disappears.